All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Very quick video. I'm going to show you how to jump start a 2009 Road Glide, but I'm also going to show you the jumper that I got. It's pretty fantastic. And I'll tell you what, I just changed the battery on this motorcycle. It wasn't that bad. I think it had the original battery, but again, you know what? I wanted to show you this because I also got this right here, and I got this a while ago. It's to charge a car, also a motorcycle as well, and I have used it multiple different times. By the way, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you it does not come with a case, so if you want a case, you're going to have to buy it separately, but I love this case. It's really nice. Has a handle, obviously a couple zippers, and it fits this jump starter box really good. So we're going to go ahead and open it up right here so you can see it. And obviously you see what I got right there. I'm going to take this out. It fits perfectly in there, as you can see. Obviously have that in there, and then in this side you could put your cables, as you can see right here. Again, this is perfectly for you to put in your trunk, saddlebags, or whatever, and bring it with you. So this is going to be the G40 No-Co Boost Plus. A couple things that I want to tell you is that there's a couple different ones. Like I said, I have used it multiple different times. You're going to have a micro HDMI right there that you're going to be able to charge it, and obviously you're going to have a USB out right there as well, so you're going to be able to charge things. Again, GB40, there's a couple different ones. Each one is, you know, specifically for specific things, right? So again, you could press this right here. Once you press it, it's going to tell you how much power it has, and I've been charging it because I've been using it a lot. Right here, if you press this, you're going to have a flashlight. That's going to be really beneficial for, obviously, when it's dark and all that. You could press again, and it's going to go through different settings, different levels, as you can see right there, and again right there again, right? So very cool. And again, it's not really that big or anything like that. Make sure you turn it off, turn it back on. It feels good. It feels really well constructed. Okay, so you put it together, just very simple. You put that right there, and obviously you're going to have your standard clips right there, positive and negative. So pretty decent setup. So again, here's a look from this side. Like I said, you could charge your cell phone, which is really fantastic. So not only you could jump your motorcycle, your vehicle, something like that, but you could also charge a cell phone. It's going to come with a cigarette lighter, I believe, when I got it. Also a little pouch. And again, this one right here is going to be 1000 amps. So whatever you need it. You do have a GB20, GB50, which is going to be about 1500 amps. You got a GB70, I believe, as well, and a GB150, which you're looking about 3000 amps. Again, that's going to be for bigger trucks and things like that. For a regular car, a regular motorcycle, the GB40 is going to do just fine. It does have some technologies to make sure that your battery is safe as well. And as promised, if you have to jump your motorcycle, at least in the 2009 Road Glide, you don't really have to go into the battery now. Thanks God, because it's a pain on the butt to go into the battery. If you come right here into the engine, you see that right there, right? And actually, I removed the little rubber from there because I have jumped it a couple different times. So that's going to be the positive, and then you could grab one of these bolts right here for the negative, and I'm going to tell you, starts up every single time. So again, you don't have to remove the saddle and go into the battery. Just very simple right there, positive right there, and again, negative right here, and it's going to do it. So there you have it. That's kind of how you jump your motorcycle. Very simple. And again, one of those things is fantastic. Highly recommend it. I have used it on the motorcycle, vehicles, and I just love it. Very easy. You charge it, put it in the bike, leave it there. You never know when you or one of your buddies may need it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.